We have the light and we simply short press it, turn it on. And there's the beam on low, medium, high. You can see the distance it goes of the baseball field and off. We have the light, short press it, low, medium, high. And then we have a little moon ring on the front of the light that lights up. L74, you hit the light on, you get a double blink, and you just press it. 74, short press. The L74, long press, light goes on. Single press goes brighter. Again, the third brightness, and the fourth one, it's got a night light. So let's say you want to look at your air conditioner, you simply give a short press on that night light. Let's look at the air conditioner. A long press, we got a low light, medium light, bright light. Press again, it's super bright. Now if we want to tilt it down and place it on something metal, we can do so, like so. We can adjust the head, angle, turn it, and point it right at you. This is the light. It lights up bright. Now the button's over here, and if you simply long press it and double tap it, it blinks twice. And you can see it kind of has a moonlight inside, and it glows. How nice is that? I'm going to shine it in the distance so we get to see what the light looks like lit up. That is low. The second, by the tree. The third. The fourth. 126 to 138 meters away. The NICRON L74. 1000 lumens up to 58 hours of runtime. When you get your flashlight, simply remove from the casing. You get an O-ring, an instruction guide, and a USB-C charging cable. You have a sticker, read me, remove the bottom and the plastic cover that protects the battery from turning on. Check online for the colors, makes, and models you are after. It is a periscope type flashlight that you could simply rotate to any angle you want, and is magnetic on the back. It has a clip for the belt, for a hat, and more. Around the lens is a glow-in-the-dark illumination green. It has 4 different types of modes. Your NICRON L74. Depending on the modes you use, the light will consume power. A AA 900 milliamp battery rechargeable is included. You could change them out. The NICRON N1 is another make and model that the company offers. Please remember to open up and remove the plastic film. To operate the flashlight, simply rotate. The flashlight comes on, and unrotate, the flashlight shuts off. Enjoy your NICRON L74. The N1 is an optional flashlight from the company that can be found online as well. The L74 and N1 flashlight. Enjoy your product if this is what you are looking for.